Welcome to JH. The Luvlink friendship lamp is marketed as a super fun way to stay connected with the people you care about. The concept is simple. You tap your lamp, and all connected lamps light up the same color, no matter where your friends or family are. Because apparently, sending a text message is just way too much effort for the modern human. It is easy to set up and makes a popular gift for partners or family members. But of course, we need to address the elephant in the room. Is this lamp actually legit or just a glowing paperweight? Let's look at the evidence, starting with the Amazon reviews. These lamps have an overall rating of 4.3 stars, which is surprisingly good for something that basically just glows on command. Users praise them for keeping long-distance connections alive, claiming they are adorable, easy to use, and double as night lights. It's a sweet sentiment, though having your lamp suddenly turn neon green at 2 a.m. might be a bit more haunted house than heartfelt connection. Another positive sign is the Companion app, which is available on both major stores with over 50,000 downloads and a solid 4.6-star rating on iOS, suggesting the tech side is actually reliable. The third green flag is their customer support. Luvlink provides a real email, a physical address, and even a phone number. In an era where most tech support is just a confused chatbot named Steve, having actual contact info is a massive win. Furthermore, the product is listed directly on Amazon, which adds a layer of credibility and the comfort of knowing you aren't just sending your money into a black hole. If a giant platform is hosting it, you can be reasonably sure a box will actually show up at your door. Finally, the company offers a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month warranty. This shows they actually stand behind their product, or at least they're confident you'll be too distracted by the pretty colors to return it. So, is the Luvlink friendship lamp legit? Absolutely. With solid ratings, a functional app, and actual human support, it's a trustworthy and fun way to stay connected across the miles. Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates, or just tap your lamp to let us know you're still there.